Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Game Bar in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable the Game Bar in Windows 11, follow these steps. Using Windows Registry Editor, press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to. Look for the key App Capture enabled. Or navigate to. Look for the key Game DVR enabled. Set the value to 1 to enable the Game Bar. Set the value to 0 to disable it. Then, press Windows key +I to open the Settings menu. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Gaming. Select Xbox Game Bar from the options. Use the switch to enable or disable the Allow your controller to open Game Bar. Then from the Settings app, choose System from the sidebar. Then click System Components. Find the Game Bar. Click the 3 dots button on the right and choose Advanced Options. Under Background Apps Permissions, click the drop-down menu and choose Never, Always, or Power Optimize. You can also scroll down to terminate and click the button to stop the app. Note, in older versions of Windows 11, the Xbox Game Bar is listed in the Apps section, on a page called Installed Apps. To uninstall the Game Bar completely, open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. You can find it in the Start menu. Enter the following command and press Enter. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.